Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to embed Facebook page photo albums into your website using SociableKIT and the website builder WordPress. So for today, we are going to use one of our Facebook page, which are posted DSM. It's our testing page, and we are going to embed it into the WordPress website. So first things first, we're going to the SociableKIT official website, so sociablekit.com, and from here you can always try to register if you don't have an account yet. So for example, on the top right of your screen, this sign up button, if you click this, you can always sign up for a new account. So if you have already created your account or you have already one, you're going now to this login button, so which I will click because I already have my account. So here it is. So to go to the creation of widget page, to the top right of your screen, you're going to click this create widget button, and it will redirect you to the creation of widget. So here is the screen. So now we're going to choose the widget type. So in our case, it is Facebook page photo albums. So Facebook page for the albums, here it is. Gotta click on it, and it will for you guys, if it's your first time on connecting your Facebook account into our website, it will appear a connect Facebook. So you will click that and connect your own Facebook account. So if you have already created or connected your Facebook account, every group page that you have will appear on here. So these are the pages that I have. So I'm going to click this posted by DSM. So here is the page that we are going to use to display our photo album. So we're going to click next, and it will redirect us to the creation or customization of our widget page. So here it says we can customize. In our case, it already loaded. So it might be your case that it will take some time to reload or take some time to sync your data of your Facebook page. So in our case, it has already loaded. So here is my page posted by DSM, and here are my photo albums. So here it is. So you can check one of check this photos. It has this photo, and I can go back to albums to see another one. So everything is in here. So I can also load more of my photo albums. And now to our left side, we can see these tabs, these different kind of tabs, which can customize your feed or widget. So first things first, I'm going to explain it to you one by one. So first thing is this basic tab. In here, you can always change the name of your widget. So for example, you are going to go away for like 10 minutes or so, or an hour, and you want to save the widget, so you can change the title or the name of the widget, so you will know what widget you are working on. And now in the domain, you can change the URL of your website. So for example, I'm going to change this as albums DSM. In my website, domain will be dsmalbums.com. So here it is. I'm going to save change, and it will save. So next, here in the themes tab, if you click this, you can choose the different kind of themes which can change the color theme of your widget. So for example, I'm going to try this Masikap theme. You see, are you sure you want to change the theme from Maliwal to Masikap theme? Yes. And if it will go to save, and it will display the color of the theme that you selected. So here is the color scheme, and it will apply all of this to your widget or your feed. So you can choose whatever you like. For in our case, I think the other one was good enough and more simplistic. And now, if you're done with the color theme, we are now going to the profile tabs. So in here you can these are types of checkbox that each have its own uh, purpose or its own feature, and you can uncheck or check this check boxes if you want to show your profile picture, your name, like button, like counts, and so on. So I'm gonna keep everything as is. So now in the albums, I can change the spaces between the albums. So I can also change the album count. For example, I want only to show 6 albums count and 3 columns. So it should um, change the album count, and we are going to see here. And as you can see, I only put 6 albums, and you can see only 6 albums. So now we are going to the album tab. So here, just like in the profile tab, you can show the album cover, the name, count, and so on. And next, in the moderation tab, you can approve posts and save the changes that you made. And now in the colors tab, if you didn't find any good color theme in the themes tab, you can always uh, do it manually. So if you think that in the colors in the themes tab you didn't find the color theme of your company or your page or the website that you are going with, then you can change it accordingly. So you can change the background color, the font, link color, link hover, and so on. Now in the fonts, you can change the font family of the widget. So for example, I'm going to change it to Arial. So currently I think this is Century Gothic. So if I save this Arial font family, it should change the whole font family. So it is, as you can see, it changes from the Century Gothic to the Arial font family. Now, next to the text, as you can see here, you can change literally the text of your albums. So for example, the likes, the view on Facebook text, you can change that text literally in the photos, and so on. And here you can change the color of the button also. You can also manually change it because it also changes everything including the button in the theme's color. So you can change, if you didn't like any color theme, you can change it manually. So now the next is the custom CSS. So you can put your custom CSS here and you are done. So if you are now satisfied, and we are going to embed this now to our website, specifically WordPress. So to the top right of our screen, we will click this embed on website. And if you click this, it will show you which website builder you are or which website builder do you want to put this widget on. So in our case, it is WordPress. So you can also search it here if you didn't find it. WordPress, here it is. I'm going to click it, and it will show you the step-by-step instructions on how to embed your widget. So you can guys check it out. So we are going to follow every single step that is in here. So first, I'm going to choose our copy code. So if you're using iframe, you can choose it, the link, or the JavaScript code. So in our case, I'm going to use this JavaScript code since this is the most common one. I'm going to copy this. So now we are now going to our WordPress website. So here it is. I'm going to add a new post or page, add a new page. And from here, we are going to put our this JavaScript code. So here it is. So first things first, we're going to put our title. So DSM albums. 2023, something like this. And now from here we're going to click this block or plus sign, which will add a block, and from here you will search for the custom HTML. So from here you will paste the JavaScript code, and you are now good to go. So that's how it is, guys. So now you will have to just publish the website, so we can so that we can see our album. And as you can see here, everything that we did, every changes that we did in the SociableKIT, the number of the albums, the font, the color theme, everything is in here. So I put the album color or album count to 6, so it only showed 6. I put the font color to from Century Gothic to Arial. Now it is Arial, and this is like the demo or the example of how your website would look. So that is all, guys. Thank you guys for listening and watching, and I hope this helped you guys a lot. And you have any questions, just comment down below, or just go to our official page and ask away to our customer service. And if this SociableKIT has interested you in and you want to work with our product, you can always go to our official website, and from here you can see the pricing, and you can try out our different types of subscription plans. So here it is, everything is in here. Just click the pricing tab. There is our free plan, which this includes these features: the starter kit and the features and the business kit, and everything is in here. So thank you guys for listening, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.